Hey Yamaha boat lovers, it's Josh over here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I've got a brand new boat to show you. It is a 2026 Yamaha 222 SE. This boat is in the yacht blue color. It's got a nice red stripe down it and a white hull bottom. We've got the black painted Shortlander trailer, tandem axle, disc brake. Let's walk around to the back and I can show you some more features. Hey guys, welcome to the back of the Yamaha 222 SE. We've got Yamaha's signature swim platform. It's a great area for hanging out with your family. We've got cup holders. We've got a rear transom stereo remote here so you can control your songs. We've got a boarding ladder. We've got our receivers here for the pedestal seats. So if you want to sit down in the water, you can plug those in and sit down in the water and enjoy your beverage. We've got a table mount here for your table up top. We also got rear firing speakers on both sides. Let's hop aboard and we can look at some of the interior features. Guys, we're up here in the bow of the 222 SE. We've got spacious lounges on both sides. This is in the cognac interior color, which is gorgeous with this yacht blue exterior. We've got our snap-in sea deck on the floor. We've got a forward anchor locker with boarding ladder. We've got grab rails, speakers up front, as well as cup holders and lots of storage underneath. Center line, we're going to have our ski locker. And over here to the helm, we're going to have a really comfortable captain's chair with flip-up bolster, tilt steering wheel, and our Yamaha Connect screen right here so that you can control all of your accessories. We've got some quick buttons here for your horn, your blower, your bilge, all that important stuff, as well as the electric binnacles. So we got the drive-by-wire on this one, which is nice because you don't have to use both of those binnacle levers. You can just use a single one if you opt to. It's also a little bit smoother and easier to use. We've got our toggle switch here so that we don't have to use the touch screen. We can always go through and pick our selection with that, or we can adjust our volume, and we have a nice phone charger there as well. Over here to the port side, we've got a lot of storage up underneath this port console. That's going to have your bow filler cushions under there and your transom pedestal seats as well. We're also going to have a wireless phone charger right up here up top, a glove compartment, and another little lockable storage down there. Moving back, we've got more storage underneath both our port and starboard side rear seats, as well as bimini top up top and a water sports tower. And then once again, nice easy walk through to your rear transom area. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat or you'd like to come see it in person, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.